Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Haphazard Adventures here. So, I've got another blast from the past video for you today from Hawaii. And to be honest with you, I forgot the name of the trail we're on, but at the end of the trail, there's a beautiful waterfall. It's beautiful, and it rained, so it's like being in a rainforest, which we probably were, but you know, that's that haphazardness in me. So, it's a short video. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can always comment. I'm open to comments. All right, Haphazard Adventures, out.